Sorry, Grandma. It doesn't matter. Don't blame the child for being ignorant. Then I felt my chest turn. It turns out that 50 cents for breakfast is not profitable at all. Is Grandma subsidizing the children? Warm. C'est morse. Words ever said you can eat for the hunger or in. Eat it, girl. Come to Grandma when you are hungry in the future. Grandma has pancakes and hot soy milk. If you are full. Thank you, Grandma. The kid hasn't slept all night, has he? Hey, the hurdle in his heart hasn't passed yet. Still one warm stack, and bring the whole house back, sir. All wet. Be careful of catching a cold. Is it a holiday tomorrow? Take this back to eat with Dad. Take your umbrella too. Thank you, Grandma. Old Mao, how many babies is this? You are in your 70s. The body can't bear it if you stick rice and money like this for a long time, as long as they read well. Eat well and be healthy. It doesn't matter that we're older. Not about the heat, it's the empty. Girl, what's wrong with you? Jip. Grandma. I'm the girl with red braids back then. Premier Amshulan. I'm sorry, I blamed you wrong. Ouch. Is it the red girl? Is it my red girl? Grown up really grew up. Not too old to move. I can cook for you. I can also make pancakes for you. After Grandma, I will help you sell breakfast and deliver soy milk. Pancakes are the best. Kindness is the most precious belief in the world. Only this one so far